Nothing amps up a boring salad or a bowl to a whole other level like a good dressing. Today, I'll show you one of my go-to favorites whenever I'm looking to level up my meals. It's called the greengoddess dressing. You've probably heard of it or seen it in restaurants. There's a reason why it's so popular. It's fresh, creamy, zesty, and nourishing because it's packed with herbs. But the biggest thing for me is that it's super versatile. Not only does it go great in salads and bowls, but it's also amazing in sandwiches and wraps, whether you use it as a spread or drizzle it in with your sandwich fillings. I also like to use it as a dip for dunking potato wedges or chips, roasted vegetables or veggie sticks, and as a sauce for chicken, tofu, and seafood. It's just so versatile. There are different ways to make this, but I'll show you how I like to make it. It's very simple and you can do it in minutes. Here's what you'll need. First, we're going to chop up about 1.5 to 2 cups of herbs or greens. Today I'm using basil, parsley, and green onions, about half a cup of each. But you can also use chives, cilantro, and even spinach if you like a lighter taste. These herbs will form the base of our flavors in our dressing, so if you like a bolder taste, feel free to add more. For the rest of the ingredients, we'll need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil for some healthy fats, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper to taste. As for equipment, you're also going to need a blender or a food processor. Once we've got all of our ingredients prepped, all we need to do is put them into our blender. One key tip to remember here is to make sure that we put our wet ingredients in closest to the blender blade. This will help with the blending process to make sure that we get a nice, smooth consistency. For some blenders, that means putting in the liquids first, but for my NutriBullet, it means putting them in last because the blade attaches at the top. Start with a few pulses to get your blender going, and then gradually ease into a continuous blend. It shouldn't take long before the color of the dressing turns into this even light green color. And that's it! When you pour it out, it should come out in this nice, smooth, creamy consistency. If you find it too thick, you can add a bit of water and give it another blend until it tastes right to you. If you find that it needs a bit more pop, you can add more lemon juice, or some people even like adding anchovies. It's totally up to you. Grab an airtight container like a mason jar and store it away in the fridge. I like to keep a jar in the fridge pretty often because it'll usually keep for about a week and I can use it for so many different things. What are some of your go-to sauces and dressings that you like to make at home that are as versatile as the greengoddess? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you'd like to watch more, click here for another video. And if you enjoy my content, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.